Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to smoke fish box.
Cut!
And today, we're gonna teach you how to smoke a box.
Cut!
In this year's episode of How to Smoke Fish Box.
Cut!
What up, fishes? Welcome back to the channel. And today, we're gonna teach you how to make a cold smoking box machine.
Cut!
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we're smoking fish in a box.
Cut! He's killing me.
Welcome back to the show. It's not a show.
Cut!
All right, my fish smokers, what you're gonna need for this do-it-yourself smoking box is very simple. A smoking gun, a screwdriver, or anything that can poke a hole the same size as a nozzle. I'm using a metal chopstick. Third thing you're gonna need is your choice of wood chips, hickory chips. I'm gonna use hay. And finally, any box you want to sacrifice that's airtight. I use the fish box. If you're new to the channel, the boxes are all everywhere in every episode. These fish boxes are perfect for it. We can smoke in here probably for 2-3 weeks and then discard it before it gets too discolored. Any box you want to sacrifice, go to Crate and Barrel or the Container Store, sacrifice a box, make it a smoking box. Let's smoke some fish. And smoking fish in the sushi bar is very common. Usually we do katsuo or bonito, and that's almost equivalent to like a tuna tataki. It's a very commonly smoked item in the sushi bar, and usually we'll skewer it and we'll burn it above the hay, and it will just kind of spark and capture it. So this is kind of a new school way of smoking it. Very efficient, definitely potent. Fish is 10 times more sensitive than beef and chicken, so it absorbs the flavor. Also, we're gonna do it pretty much raw. Today, I'm going to do a seared tuna for you and make a tuna tataki. So we'll do a smoked tuna tataki that you can actually do at home with your home box smoking thing. Got the box. Got my tool, screwdriver, or in this case, metal chopstick, and literally, we can even use a pen. And all you do is, just gonna push it right through. Magic. Here's that nozzle. And there you go. That's all you have to do. So if you're using plastic, probably have to burn a little hole or use a drill, just make a little something, and then maybe tape it off so it's airtight. But that's all you have to do. All right, nice little handheld smoker here. I'm gonna use hay. Hay is for horses. And give you a demonstration of how it works. There's two settings. There's a low and there's a high. That's just how hard it's pulling the smoke. So, demonstration. It's getting a little messy. And also, you wanna be somewhere that's very well ventilated or preferably outside. And turn it on. You can hear the fan. I can feel air coming out. And it gives just a little flame. You can use a lighter. And that's what we're looking for that nice, rich smoke. Usually I'll put the whole fish, that's why I have a large box, and then I'll slice it, but for video purposes, I sliced it first, and then you have your tataki here. I'm gonna load it up in the smoker, and now we're gonna smoke all these pieces. And use your imagination, you can almost do anything, especially when it's sliced, ready to eat portions. Whole fish is different. So this could be some ham, this can be tuna, beef, get crazy with it. Cocktails, but tuna tataki. Make sure the smoker's on. You can hear the little fan, a light flame, and give it a little light. There's like a little carb here. I like to kind of suffocate it. That's a pro tip, if you know what a carb is. All right, it's been sitting for 2 minutes, and then I repeat, and it's gonna be up to you. So no matter whatever ingredient you're smoking, you'll taste how smoky it is. You wanna smoke it 1 time, you wanna smoke it 5 times, it's up to you. It's how smoky you deem it to be. There shouldn't be any, there's a little bit of smoke I can see escaping from the box. That means we know there's smoke in there, because it is pushing. You can see it's coming out of the sides here. 2 minutes is up. Now the tuna tataki should be drowning in smoke. And you can do literally anything you want. You can put this on top of a salad. You can serve it as is. You can serve it with chips, or you can do it tataki style. So I'll just do it tataki style the way we usually do it in the sushi bar. So put some daikon down. You can use carrot, you can use cucumber, whatever you want. There's no mistakes, just happy accidents. And then nice little onions. Kind of get the onions all up in there. Don't be shy. The onions is what make it so good. Nice little onions. Little onions. All right, and then we're just gonna lay them kind of one by one and do a nice tataki. A little bit of soy sauce, but I'm gonna use ponzu. Just kind of trizz it on there. Don't be shy, that ponzu is what really gives it that. And you can put garlic, anything your heart desires. And we'll even a little more green onions on top. Oh yeah, don't be shy, Poppy. Don't be shy. And there you have it. You have a little bit of smoked tuna, provided by our handy dandy smoke box that cost me under $35, not including batteries. And we made a simple tuna tataki. Nice, light, refreshing. Anyone who eats this will be like, oh my God, what's that like smokery, hickory bacon taste? And I'm like, tuna bacon? No way! Thanks for thanks for watching.
Cut!
If you did it yourself, hit that like button, share it with your smoker friends, and I'll see you on another episode.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.
Smoke fish every day.